you have some Excel sample file and data is not organized properly, like you have an organized table, kind of table here, but this unnecessary lines, so you may have some other unnecessary lines in the below section, and you want to combine the data from all of those Excel file but only from the top part like this. So in that case, if you click on this filter button, and it's already on the filter, let me click on this filter again, so you can see we do have a filter like this. Okay, so if you have filter in all of those Excel file like this, so that is on this one, and we do have filter on this file as well, and you want to combine the data only from those filter range, this part, then this template is handy for that particular case. So you need to select the folder where you have all those Excel file which has filter range. Okay, and then just click on this retrieve data. It will combine all the data and it will put the data into the smarts data set, and you can see these are the combined data, and you can see we don't have that unnecessary line in this section. We do have only this clean data in this section. So that's the use case for this particular template file. Thank you.